Greetings and welcome to the Bonus Accounting YouTube channel. My name is Kenny Bonus and I'm the owner of Bonus Accounting. Just to give you a little bit of background about myself, I graduated from Clarion University in Pennsylvania with a major in accounting and management back in 2010. Went on to work at KPMG as an auditor in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. While there, I earned my CPA license and achieved the position of audit manager. I left in 2016 to start my own firm. I currently serve on various boards of directors, including the United Way of Southwestern PA, Butler AM Rotary, and the Butler County Chamber of Commerce. Additionally, I hold the office of councilman on Butler City Council. And most importantly, my wife Rosie and I have a baby boy on the way in a month. As I mentioned, I'm the owner of Bonus Accounting, where we offer bookkeeping, payroll, tax, and advisory services. We have 7 employees: Aaron, Josh, Melissa, Denise, Jeff, Skylar, and myself. Our firm embraces the idea of being a firm of the future. We strive to utilize technology to make work more efficient for our team and more affordable for our clients. I'm excited to host these videos, and I think you'll find a lot of value and have fun along the way. So as you know, we are an accounting YouTube channel, and you're probably wondering what all we could cover in our videos. We'll be covering all kinds of frequently asked questions. We hear many of the same questions from our clients, and for each of those, we'd like to put together a video to address all of them. A couple of the questions that come to mind are, should I be tracking my mileage or writing off actual expenses? What kind of expenses can I write off for my business? What are the rules for the Paycheck Protection Program? And what happened to Carol Baskin's husband? We'll also be going over software reviews and tutorials. We'll show you guys what kind of software that we're using. We'll try out new software and give you tips and tricks on utilizing it most efficiently. A couple of the primary programs we use are Quickbooks Online and Desktop, ProConnect Tax, T-Sheets for time tracking, and Monday for project management, just to name a few. We also run our business using Google G Suites and Chromebooks, and we will regularly give you guys updates on how to utilize Google to take your business to the next level. Everything from creating a standard user in G Suites for quickly onboarding associates, to Google phone systems and automated answering systems, utilizing Google Drive and remote desktop. Google is constantly developing new features to help businesses stay on top of technology, and we'll be giving you tutorials on how to utilize it best. We'll also take the show on the road and give you a virtual tour through our office and show you what to expect if you were to visit our location. We'll also get out to various networking and social events and tell you what to expect and how to prepare for networking with other professionals. We'll also get out onto the links and take you out to some of our favorite golf courses in the area. We have a lot in store and we'll constantly be coming back with new content. We'll be peppering in some technical accounting topics and also some tax topics as well, along with new and relevant subjects that are going on in the business world. Our goal is to educate and entertain you along the way. We have fun doing what we do and want to accurately inform our viewers. We'll talk about different options that are out there, but we always recommend talking with your trusted accounting professional about your specific situation. We want our channel to be a great resource to come to for information, to learn, and to grow. You can use us just like a reference book, or you can binge watch us like a season of Peaky Blinders. Either way, sit back, relax, and enjoy.